fairly happy with this trend. I can, safely search for short entries. Okay. Then news announcement. Is there any news announcement coming, either the American dollar or the JPY for today? Yes, there is. Actually, there are some news. The inflation data coming today in about 2 hours. The inflation data coming from America, and that will, of course, have an impact on the American dollar. And I know that when it comes to, as we near that deadline, like I say, in 2 hours time, in 2 hours time, I don't want to be searching for entries at that precise time. If I see that I might be getting an entry at that precise time, I might pass. Okay, I might pass on the signal until the news are out of the way, until the dust settles down a little bit. And once the news are out of the way, I will continue on searching for an entry on this setup. All right, I've made a brief note about that news announcement coming out from America in 2 hours time. I want to always keep in mind that, so I don't get surprised by, like I was saying before, any random crazy spike on the chart that might knock out my stop loss within the second. Okay. Furthermore, what about the longer time frames? Well, let's have a look at the 4 hours time frame. Nothing there. Let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. Daily time frame. Sorry. Well, the previous level of support, it was that level, got broken really. So the downtrend continues. Now, let's have a look at the weekly chart. Nothing really. I'm scrolling back for the last 1 year worth of price action. There is nothing there. All those levels of support, okay, all these levels of support have been broken to the downside. The trend is still in place. All right, it's fairly safe to search for short entries. So, I've checked the longer time frames. I know there is nothing, no conflicting signals on them. So that's another plus, another tick on the list. Okay, any price pattern I recognize? There is. It's a pretty prototypical swinging formation. I explain all about swinging formations on chapter number 3 of this trading course. So I don't want to, like I was saying before, I don't want to upload too much information. You guys just have a look at the chapter number 3, and you will get plenty of information as of how I tried this type of swinging. Have a look at that swinging price action. All right. Where are my key levels of support and resistance? Well, the key level, I've marked it in blue already. That's the key level of resistance above, okay? Right above us, around the 106.50. Moreover, we have the dynamic area of resistance coming around that level as well. So that's the key level to keep an eye on, okay, on this trend, at least for today. I always say it's very important to always keep in mind what's the key level to keep an eye on, okay, for the day, in order to determine whether the trade plan is violated or not. And that's to always draw the main level of support and resistance, and as long as that level is not breached, we are still in a trend in a scenario. The trend and the trend and the trade plan are both still intact, okay, they are still strong, and we still have the green lights to search for trades. In this case, like I'm saying, is the 106.50, 106.60 to be exact. If price reaches above that level, if we break above that level, not only we break above yesterday's low, okay, moreover we break above the dynamic area of resistance, and therefore we would be, the 100 moving average would come around that level, and we would be nearing that 100 moving average, which, as you guys know, it's big signal of weakness. As far as I am concerned, as far as my system goes, it's the signal of warning, of weakness in any trend. Okay, you want to stay away from the 100.